We learned in the previous movie how copying and pasting content from, say, a website allows us to get the content into OneNote, and it's also content that we can then edit and format if we wanted to. But if that's not important, maybe you just want a picture of something on your screen. It's called a screen clipping, and it's easy to do. You can see I've already gone to the landonhotel.com website here in Internet Explorer. I'm going to switch back to OneNote now. And let's say we did want to capture something. Let's go to the Travel tab or section here in our Landon Hotel notebook. If you've skipped to this movie, open up Landon Hotel 0203 from the Chapter 2 folder. We don't have anything here quite yet, but let's say we're planning some trips to various cities. One of them might be London. Type in London and press Enter. And now we see some information on a website that we want captured and put into our OneNote notebook. Well, all we do is go up to the Insert tab. Because we already have Internet Explorer up and running and on the website, we go to Images here on the ribbon and click Screen Clipping. So when you give it a click, OneNote steps out of the way temporarily. Your mouse pointer turns into a crosshair and you're ready to start picking and choosing exactly what it is you want to capture. Now, if it's not sitting there on the screen, it's a shifting screen, you can always press Escape. It takes you right back. Let's flip back to our Internet Explorer and go directly to the spot that we want to capture. There it is, the London West End information. Now we'll flip back to OneNote with the Insert tab already selected. When we choose Screen Clipping, it's sitting there waiting for us to capture it. And in this case, we want the image, the title, and the text. And it's like taking a snapshot of this when we click and drag to cover exactly what it is we want, release, and it's popped right there onto the page where we were under London. And you'll notice that this is a box. It looks like a text box that can be moved around with the four-sided arrow. When we go inside, though, it's actually an object. You can't click inside and start formatting the text like we do when we copy and paste. This is an object that can be sized. For example, if we go to the handles, we want to squish it together, squeeze it down. You'll notice when you scroll down to the bottom, there are handles at the bottom and the corners. With them in the corners, we can click and drag. Now, you may get content showing up underneath that is text. Notice the Landon Hotel, you'll feel at home in our neighborhood. The website's there, and you can see exactly when that screen clipping was taken with the date and time. This is attached to whatever you clip and put onto your page. So it just helps you remember where you got it and when you got it. Just another option for getting content into your OneNote notebooks.